Welcome to our second session for Arduino. This time around we actually expanded more on our knowledge. We learned theoretically how a breadboard works, but we never actually got to use one. So this time we got the tools that we needed to use another breadboard to get multiple LEDs and resistors and design a special circuit for today. We also did a quick introduction on loops. Instead of having to write the same thing 1,000 times, we can write it 100 times. And also we spoke about variables a little bit, the value of variables. And so with me, I have my beautiful friend Anas, who will quickly explain what we've done today.
So today we made a green LED blink 5 times using a resistor and wires. The yellow LED blinked 3 times fastly, also using resistor and wires, which is hooked up to the Arduino, which is connected to my laptop, which I coded the code using variables and loops.
And so with all of this, we got to actually figure out how a breadboard actually works. So I left him alone to try, and the first LED we did together. The second one, I let him design a circuit on his own, which he did well. And from there, he also got to get more experience with understanding and just connecting wires in general.
Okay. Anas, tell me a little bit about about today's session. What did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed how we got to learn more of the Arduino and learning how to hook the wires together using a breadboard and the Arduino itself. And I also enjoyed the LED being connected and also the resistor.
Thank you.